Hi friends, I'm Samihan Prayas Nayak's mother, and my son is studying in Phoenix Green International School, Hyderabad. Okay, regarding this course, robotics. So what I want to say is this course is really a great blessing for us at the time of this COVID-19, because during this period of time the children are getting bored or confused with all the overloaded work related to online classes, as they are not acquainted with the online classes, so the children are really getting burdened. So during this time, if they have some this kind of course which is very creative, and they are really interested in this, that is a big blessing for us. So few things I want to say about this course is, basically this course, the structure of this course is very good, and the mentors are really good. The mentors guide you in a perfect way that what course is suitable for your child by having a good interaction with your child. Like I wanted to choose advanced robotics, but when the mentors deal with my child, they got to know that like the basic robotics is very good. And during the classes and throughout the course, the mentors have taken really good care of my child in making him understand from the basic concept to the higher concept of robotics, whatever he was learning. And other thing what I wanted to say is, not only this course is quite complicated, but the guides and the tutors who have taken this, they have made this course very interesting, very innovative, and very interactive, giving the child all the concepts whatever the child needs. And other than that, not only this course will help the child to learn about the robotics and its concepts. During the classes, they give a basic concept of electronics and electricity. Thankful for this course to the organizers and all the people who have put a real effort for this course. And hopefully I would be interested to join my son in further taking up more courses which is given by the smart circuits people. So I also recommend everyone who is interested in these kind of courses to please go for it, and take up the courses. Please take up the courses for your children from an early age or appropriate age, so that they can learn the basic concepts from an early age. Thank you everyone.